Alright, ready?
I'm ready.
Gonna light this little guy on fire.
Wait, show them the little guy.
Alright. Look at him. Look at him. He's cute, right? We're gonna take him. We're gonna put him in this candle. With the candle.
I'm scared.
Michelle. Oh, do.
Oh.
Okay, let's try this again.
Ew, it smells.
What did you do?
Michelle, stop! Stop, I'm scared.
Why? Try to get Okay. Look at his head. The fingers. The wax.
Let me see.
The head. Your turn.
Is it hot?
No, it's warm. Alright. Your turn. Alright.
I'm scared.
Alright, you just dip it in and then you swiggle it.
Swiggle?
Yeah.
Can I hold my feet?
Yeah. Just put it in.
I'm scared, Michelle. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. And then go wiggle it.
Oh my god, I almost did that. Jesus, I almost peed my pants. You! Oh my god! Dude, I really think I just peed my pants. I mean, I'm not too sure about that.
Okay, we can stop it now, right?
Yeah.
How did I do it? Top?
Mm-hmm.